Hello everyone, welcome to this webinar by Smart Street AI Panchayat. So we are covering a series of webinar on responsible AI in the AI era. And today we are looking at responsible AI in education and EdTech. So this webinar is conducted by TechHans AI Consulting Private Limited. And we are hosting this on our LMS platform, which is Smart Street AI Academy. And just to let you know that we are leveraging AI for everything shown in this webinar. Of course, it's a human AI collaboration, and we are looking forward to really working on where AI and human can augment and conduct this webinar as we go forward. So let's get started. As you can see on your screen, this is an infographic generated by AI on responsible AI, the ethical evolution of Indian classrooms. On the left-hand side, as you see the potential, personalized growth, right? Because of AI, it can be like AI identifies individual strengths and gaps, tailoring the curriculum to each learner's specific needs. But on the right side, if you see the algorithmic risk, which is about bias, training data, flawed AI decisions, and reinforced inequality, because skewed training data can reinforce historical caste, gender, and socioeconomic inequalities. Now, so what is the path to responsible AI integration? So we will look at during this webinar for next 30 minutes on this. The first one is, of course, the DPDP Act compliance, right? The student consent, purpose limitation, accountability for institutions. Then adopt, question, implement. That is the framework. And AI is a co-pilot, not a captain. So this is something we should consider, because that is where teacher expertise and empathy comes into picture. And then NEP 2020 alignment, which is actually about the modern curriculum. It should embed the AI literacy and digital ethics, right, as we go forward. So what we will do, we will look at a quick audio clip, the audio, video, and presentation.
This is the brief on why ethics protect student privacy. Now, you might be wondering about all this AI flooding Indian classrooms with 24/7 virtual tutors and adaptive learning, but adopting it without a strict ethical framework isn't progress. It's a massive risk to the privacy of the students we're trying to protect. First, let's talk about the law of consent and transparency. India's DPDP Act, the Digital Personal Data Protection Act, legally forces educational institutions to get mandatory consent from students and parents before collecting any data.
So as you can see in the screen, this is our website, www.techhansai.in. And when you go here, we got everything listed here, what we provide, services, approach. We have a partner trainer program also, and sales program. On the contact, if you click on community, you go to the community page. But if you come to the academy here, you can see here the Smart Street AI Academy, which we have. So this is our LMS, and well, we can say it's an education or EdTech platform, but what we do here, I will show you. There are some courses which you can see. We are planning this first time in-person AI Fun Day workshop. And you can see there is a AI Foundations class online live recorded by Shivaram. And there is a cloud technology online live and recorded available by Shivaram. Then we have some online self-reading, learning type of, this is recorded lessons and reading, content which is available for anybody. This is non-tech. We try to simplify AI and tech concepts. So that's what our mantra is. We basically are trying to make sure that the best way to learn AI and tech. So there is something called Avatar, which actually can help you in answering some questions. Then we have some webinar. You can see this is the webinar which is running right now. And in the past, we have conducted this webinar. So this is all available. There are some paid, some free, which you can access. Then there are some digital products in this, where it is freely available right now, all the videos which we are creating using AI. So this is available. And then when I go to dashboard, it basically goes to the right now I'm logged into this particular LMS. So that's what briefly we wanted to cover. Let's look at a video on responsible AI in education.
Let's jump right into this explainer because today we are looking at something absolutely massive: the fascinating and honestly dual-edged nature of integrating AI into Indian educational settings. We are literally at this wild moment in time where technology is fundamentally rewiring how we teach and how we learn. But as we're going to see, bringing artificial intelligence into our schools, it isn't just a matter of plugging in a new smartboard or downloading some fancy new app. It is a profound shift. And it demands that we look really closely at both the incredible potential for transforming education in India and the heavy responsibilities that come along with the whole shebang. Right off the bat, we are hit with this incredibly crucial point. Adoption without ethics is not progress, it is risk. I want you to really let that sink in for a second.
So the webinar topic today is responsible AI in the AI era, transforming Indian education through ethical, human-centric technology. So let's look at what it is, the architectural blueprint of balanced AI. So what's the current landscape? AI in our classrooms, right? The promise, benefits of AI integration, very, very critical, and it has to be there. Personalized learning paths, a reduced teacher workload, enhanced accessibility, right? So what does it mean? Personalized learning path is about